Hello everyone, welcome once again to Sagas Online Maths. Let's solve this problem together. This is plane geometry. It's very simple and interesting. Now we are given that lines M and N are parallel, right? Then we are asked to find the value of the angle what? Angle S. This angle you are seeing here. This is very simple. If you are watching my videos I've done on what? On plane geometric. Now look at what we are going to do here in this video. Very interesting. Now remember that the sum of angle on a straight line is equals to what? 180 degrees. So if here is Z, if here is Y, right? That means Y plus 100 and what? 130 degree. 130 degree will be equals to what? 180 degree. Reason sum of angle on a straight line. So let's find Y. So we subtract 130 from both sides, right? That means our Y will be equals to 180 degree. Let me write my 80 degree very well. 180 degree minus 130, right? That means our Y is equals to what? 50 degree. This is the value of Y. But we are not asked to find Y. I don't know why we are finding Y. We are asked to find the value of X, which is angle X that's here. The reason why I'm looking for this angle is because I'm going to work so that I can have this angle that's here. Now, do you know that I can also draw this? Remember that from here to here, you can see this point. I can decide to take a parallel line to this place. You see? Alright. Now, observe very well. If I want to have this angle that's here, let me call it Z because I don't know this angle. So for me to have that angle that is Z, that means remember that this is sum of angle on a straight line, right? So that means my S, that means let me S, this S you are seeing. Let me put this so you understand what I'm doing. For me to have this angle that is here, that means the sum of this angle, that means X plus Z will be equals to what? 180 degree, because they are sum of angle on a straight line, right? Now, so I will subtract this from both sides for me to have X. That means my S will be equals to 180 degree, you see, minus what? Minus Z. Alright. Now, if this angle here, that means S is equals to what? 180 degree minus Z, right? Alright. Now, this angle here, if I did not know this angle that's here, so I can call here what? Let me call here A because I don't know this angle that's here. Let me call here A. So if here is A, and remember these are opposite angles. That means 2A, because here is also A, right? 2A plus 2 into 110. 110 degrees equals to what? 360 degree, right? Now this now becomes 2A plus this times giving what? We give me 220 degree equals to 360 degree. Let's subtract it from both sides. That means 2A equals to 360 degree minus 220 degree. That means 2A will be equals to what? 140 degree, right? Divide here by 2, divide here by 2. That means 2 will go out. Then our Y will be equals to what? A will be equals to. So let's divide 14 divided by 2 give us, this is 70 degree, right? So this is A is 70 degree. So if here is 70 degree, alright, and here is 50 degree, right? Alright, we are processing. Remember that I've asked to find this X that's here. And remember that X plus Z is equals to what? This, right? So if you are looking for Z, that means our Z will be equals to, that means Z will be equals to 180 minus X, right? That means our Z will be equals to 180 minus X for us to have our Z. And now, if this Z is 180 minus X, and remember that this is alternative what? Alternative angles. You know, alternative angle. Look at, you know, this is alternative what? Angles. That means if here is what? If here is Z, right? Here will also be what? Z. You know, because they are alternative angles. You can see these are alternative. Look at alternative angles. You see, they are alternative angles. They are alternative to each other. So that means if here is Z, that means here will also be Z, right? And Z is equals to 180 minus X. So for there you can have our S. Let's sum everything in the right angle triangle, which is all equals to 180 degree, right? So that means if Z is 180, that means 180 minus X plus what? 70 plus 50 will give us what? 70 plus 50 will give us 70. Look at 70 plus 50 will give us 120, right? So you can 120, you see, equals to what? 180 degree. Reason sum of angle in the right angle triangle, you see. So what if you subtract 180 from both sides? 180 will go, you see. So now see that minus S will be equals to, if you transfer this to our right hand side, I have minus 120. See, so divide both sides by minus 1, divide here by minus 1. This will cancel out this, and this will cancel out this. That means our s will be equals to what? 120 what degree. And this is just the value of s to this particular problem. So please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate, like, comment, and also share with your loved ones so that others will learn from it. So the value of s in this problem is that s is equals to what? 120 degree, and this is just the solution to this problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please share so that others will learn from it. Bye bye.